In today's video, we are going to talk about how to detect Newcastle disease in your poultry beds. As we know, Newcastle disease is a very dangerous poultry disease. It is caused by virus and it is highly contagious. So as we know, poultry beds become infected when they pick the virus from contaminated surface. The virus now inside the bed begin to attack the immune system in order to weaken it. It can take as little as 2 days for the virus to overpower already sick bed. But for healthy beds, it takes about 1 week, sometimes 2 weeks. This period between infection and when the bed becomes visibly sick is referred to as incubation period. The incubation periods end when the virus overpowered the bed. You will then begin to observe the greenish-white diarrhea and other symptoms of visible sickness that characterize Newcastle disease attack in your poultry bed. Now, if your beds are healthy, you have about 1 week to detect the virus in its incubation stage. You can at this stage help your bed win the fight against the virus and flush it out of their system. So now, here's how to detect the virus in their incubation period in your poultry bed. Number 1, watch out for respiratory problem. Once the virus infects a bed, it immediately attacks the respiratory system. This bed will almost overnight begin to show respiratory symptoms similar to CROD, such as catarrh, cough and breathing issue. This cough and catarrh does not completely clear off no matter the amount of CROD drugs you give to your pet. So take note of that one. Another thing is to watch out for the nervous sign. A few days after the first respiratory sign, you will begin to observe nervous symptoms. You will observe 1 or 2 birds unable to stand. They will begin to limp, walk, or become partially paralyzed. In some cases, some birds will develop twisted neck. These 2 symptoms occur during the incubation period and will affect only a few birds. All the other birds will look normal and active, although the virus is already in their body. Once you notice respiratory system followed by nervous system, it is almost always a sure sign of Newcastle disease infection in your poultry farm. This is the right time to take steps to combat the infection. If the proper treatment does not commence immediately, within 2 to 4 days, the physical sign of watery green poop and subsequent death will start. So take note of that one. There are antibiotics that can be used in managing the disease at an incubation stage. For Nigerian-made drugs, I usually recommend Virocin antiviral granular for 5 days. There are several other foreign drugs your veteran can recommend that you can use for this poultry bed anytime you encounter Newcastle disease in your poultry farm. There are also herbs and spices that are useful in preventing and treating Newcastle disease infection, such as the Christmas melon, the garlic, the ginger, turmeric, neem leaf, bitter leaf, and so on. So 5 of them are highly effective and within the reach of most farmers. The preparation method and administration procedure vary from one method to another. So take note of this in order to prevent the spread of this Newcastle disease in your poultry farm. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow our page, follow us on Instagram, follow us on TikTok. See you in our next video. Bye.